Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So first of all, let me thank you for tuning into this video. If this is your first time checking out any of my videos or checking out my channel, do me a favor and click that subscribe button below, that big red button. Yes, that one right there. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that button too, because anytime I put out any new content, and hopefully you're getting some value from this content, that you will get a notification from YouTube saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You might want to check it out because you liked it last time. So with that, we're going to jump right into this one. So what we're talking about today is do another review on a new feature of Royaltie and what the latest feature that they have, what's going on with them. So I've done a few videos about what they've offered and some of the features that they supply for their customers and their affiliates. But in a nutshell, if you're not familiar with Royaltie, you can always go back and review some of my videos. But they are a marketing platform. It's an all-in-one marketing platform. So I'm not going to get too much into that one right now about that, but we're going to talk about what they offer. So what they offer is, right now, what the newest feature is. Sorry about that. So the newest feature is called content marketing. And what that is this. It's actually ingenious because a lot of people struggle with coming up with content for their for whatever they're doing, for whatever their business, or it could be a blog, or it can be a vlog or vlog. It can be whatever it is. Content, because they say content is king. You know, that's what gets your audience engaged and gets your audience to see to check out your business, or to check out whatever you're doing. So content marketing is a not really a new feature. It's something that people have been doing, but people have a hard time and struggle come up with content consistently. So what Royaltie did, say, hey, guess what? We're all on one platform. We are going to create a feature that allows you that we will create the content for you. Yes, they will create the content for you. They have a library of content ready to go for you for pretty much any industry that you're in, whether it's health and wellness, whether it's technology, whether it's, we can go, the list goes on and on and on. So I created some right here, and we'll do a breakdown more of how to do it and what's the best way to get and pick the best content for you. But I created 3 so far, and they have packages, of course, that you can choose to actually get different amount. I actually currently have the entrepreneur package, but I got into it before they released this, so I have unlimited content marketing that I can pick a week or however many I want. So I don't have a limit, but now they do have a limit. So currently with the entrepreneur package, you can only do 3 a week. So I'm going to show you right now. This is 3 that I created. This one right here is pretty cool. So if you click on it, this is what it looks like. Let me pull this down some. So it looks like a blog. So what it does is you post it on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, such platforms like that, and it reads like this. It tells about certain topics and makes you look like you're a expert, or you might be an expert, but gives you the credibility on your social media platform about certain topics and certain industries and niches. And so this one's about gut bacteria. So if you're in the health and wellness field, this would be great for you. And I actually had a story about this, about my blood pressure. So I use this for example. And so what people would do is they put their name and email in there to get access. Now you're collecting the lead. That's the smart thing. You're building your list about people who want to know about gut health and that helps with high blood pressure. So now you can, if you're in the health and wellness industry, you can actually build a list and have people to talk to, and market to them through email marketing. So that's what's awesome about that one. It's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool feature. I'm gonna go back, but like I said, you can post it on Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. So you can actually link it to a landing page like we went through before. Royaltie offers the unlimited landing pages for certain packages. Excuse me. So they so yeah, so you can tie it into a landing page. So when after they read the article, it redirects them and it sends them to your landing page, and they can see more about whatever topic you're talking about. You don't want to put like a technology with a health and wellness landing page like that. So it's all about strategizing perfectly, but they help you with that too. So that's what's great about that. So pretty cool, pretty awesome feature. I've used it, tested it out a couple of times. I'm going to discard this and go back and show you guys what I'm talking about. So you see 3 right here. This is my most, I haven't even put this out here. I just posted this one on my Facebook page right here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So but before I do that, I'm going to show you this right here. This one I posted a couple of days ago. It's been looked at 11 times. 3 people clicked on it and opted into it. This one I just posted was looked at 1 time so far, and I literally just posted this like probably 5 minutes ago before I did this video. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my Facebook page. Boom. This is my personal Facebook page right here. Yes, my name is Ryan Paul. But this is the post right here, 20 minutes ago, sorry. I posted it 20 minutes ago. And this, I just put a little title up there, or a little post up there with it. But when they click on it, watch this. How to simplify systems for building growth. And I'll even type my name in here. All right, give it a second. Loads up, bam. Now it sends them to a blog. It's pretty cool. This is pretty awesome. They can read this. It's content. And they show you how to do it. That's what's so great about this thing. That they're doing it for you guys. So that's what's pretty cool. I think it's a great feature. It has a lot of potential because that's the main thing a lot of people struggle with is content marketing and content. Putting stuff on your social media, online, and getting people engaged with it so they can see it. So yeah, guys, I mean, I think this is a great feature, and I think that it will benefit a lot of people and help a lot of people with growth in their business, and as well as just giving them more ideas on how to do certain things. So with that, guys, I'm going to start closing this down. So if you have any questions or concerns or anything that you saw in this video today and you want to know more about it, please feel free to reach out to me. My number will be in the comments or description below, 925-752-8897. Once again, that's my direct line, my cell phone. My name is Ryan DePaul, and you guys have a great and blessed day, and take care. See you the next one.